Hi, I'm Keith Roy. I'm here at RE Plus Northeast, enjoying the show. Great people coming out. And for those of you who weren't able to make it, I'll show you our tracker here. This is a drive shaft versus a torque tube. So what we have is an actuator at every post, which allows us to do a lot of things different than most. The drive shaft allows us to follow the terrain better, allows us to transfer power to every single post. So now we don't have free-floating posts. We don't have dampeners which fight the rest of the system. We don't have dampeners that have to go in certain modes at any time. We have the tracking ability to keep tracking in low winds. And when we have high winds, we can go to stow mode, which is flat, which will still generate a lot of power for you. The drive shaft as well offers a lot of opportunity for flexibility for foundation installation. So you have the adjustability on the post of up to 14 inches, which allows you to have more flexibility on your install. You have the north-south tolerance of up to 8 inches, which is exponentially more than a lot of others. And the east-west tolerance up to 2 inches. So you don't have this tight installation parameters of the foundation because our drive shaft allows you to flex around it and still be buildable. Again, with the terrain following as well, the whole row doesn't have to be in the same plane. We're able to have every single table on its own plane within a drive shaft. So we have one motor driving up to 160 modules, up to 14 tables worth of modules, and just constantly being able to adjust what the land and terrain are allowing you to do. So you can have up to 10% slope for your table. You can go up 10 and down the next. Your whole table doesn't have to be in the same plane. So each table can transition with the ground. No work is above 6 feet in the air for most situations. So you're not having those tables end up being 14 feet in the air you need to really reach up to. Thanks for everyone who came out. We had a great time here at RE Plus Northeast. Want to come check us out at polarracking.com or on LinkedIn, learn more about our system, and see you at the next show.